Pregnancy is like climbing a mountain. On the way up, you have support everywhere. Doctor visits, check-ins, people constantly asking how you're doing. Then you reach the top, birth. On the way down, it's almost nothing. The focus shifts to the baby, and mom is expected just to figure it out. But even before that, a lot of moms start feeling that overwhelmed during pregnancy. You're tired all day long, but your brain won't shut off at night. You're trying to rest, but it doesn't feel like it's working. You wake up already exhausted. At some point, you start thinking, is this how pregnancy is supposed to feel? You're not dealing with just one thing. You're exhausted. You're overwhelmed. You're not sleeping well. And your body feels like it's working against you. Maybe your low back is tight. Your hips feel off. Things that just don't feel right. And most of the time, you're told that's normal. But here's the problem. Normal doesn't mean optimal. You're not just tired. Most people think exhaustion is just a sleep problem. But sleep is recovery function. And recovery is run by your nervous system. Your nervous system controls your ability to adapt, heal, and shift into recovery mode. And pregnancy places a higher demand on that system than almost anything else your body will go through. So the real question isn't, why am I so tired? It's, why is my body adapting to the way it should? This is what we see every day in our office in Cedar Grove, with pregnant moms from Montclair, Verona, and the surrounding areas. Your body has two main modes: gas pedal, stress, survival, go; brake pedal, recovery, healing, and restoration. During pregnancy, your body needs to be able to shift into that recovery mode consistently. But for a lot of moms, that switch doesn't happen well. So even when you rest, you don't really recover. And that's why exhaustion doesn't go away. Now, here's another piece most people never hear. Structure affects function, especially during pregnancy. As your body changes, your pelvis and your spine are under constant stress and adaptation. And when that area isn't moving the way it should, it creates tension that feeds directly into your nervous system. More tension, more stress, less ability to recover. I'm Dr. Jeff Burrowes at Cedar Grove Family Chiropractic, and I'm Webster certified. The Webster Technique, as defined by the International Chiropractic Pediatric Association, is a specific chiropractic analysis and adjustment focused on reducing stress in the pelvis and supporting optimal nerve system function during pregnancy. This isn't about a perfect pregnancy. It's about giving your body the best chance to adapt and handle everything pregnancy demands. Most people focus on the bump. We focus on the system controlling everything, because you can't outstretch, outrest, or outsupplement a nervous system that is overwhelmed. And this doesn't stop at birth. It takes 9 months to grow a baby. It doesn't make sense that recovery would take 6 weeks. That fourth trimester is where support drops, but demand stays high. You're feeding, you're not sleeping, your hormones are shifting, your body's trying to rebuild. And for a lot of moms, support drops off right when the demand is the highest. That's when the exhaustion really sets in. And the nervous system still has to adapt. And that's why we don't guess. We measure. At Cedar Grove Family Chiropractic, we use insight scans to see how your nervous system is actually functioning. It's simple, non-invasive, and designed to show us exactly how your body is adapting. Not just how you feel, how your body's actually functioning, because that's where everything starts. If you're pregnant and feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, or just not like yourself, that's not something you just have to push through. The first step is understanding what your body is actually doing. That's why we start with a full nervous system evaluation, so you can see exactly how your body is adapting and what it actually needs. Not just how you feel, how your body's actually functioning. No pressure, just clarity. Click below to schedule your nervous system evaluation.